Adobe Photoshop is a registered trademark of Adobe Systems Incorporated, and I am in no way affiliated with Adobe.
Okay guys, so on this tutorial now we're going to actually be going into merging of the layers. So what we want to do is, and I've actually copied the land and sky layer over here, and I have them hidden away so that we can mess with it later. But today on this clip we're actually going to be working with just these top two layers. So what you want to do is actually go to this little triangle right here above the opacity and click merge down. Okay, so now we merge the sky with the land, and as you can see we have this final result. What I want to kind of touch base on is applying different type of blend modes to this image, and we're going to do that here in the next couple of clips. So basically what I wanted to do was just teach you guys about merging down and keeping your other ones here just for reference, and we're going to go and mess with those. But now we're going to kind of touch base on blending modes, and I'm going to teach you a sharpening technique.